Now this illustration deals with single conductor cables in accordance with NEC 392.22B1 now, B as in boy, and utilizing table 392.22B as in boy 1 little c, and we're in the column 1. Now, in the tray, we notice we have 14 300 kc mil THWN copper conductors in accordance with 392.22B1 little a. And then notice these cables shall be permitted to be placed on top of each other, and more especially where they're bundled together to provide even dividing the current on each cable if they happen to be L1, L2, and neutral, and that kind of thing. Now, to the right, we have 10 1,000 kc mil THHN conductors. And we're getting our information for those conductors in 392.22B1A. So, in dealing with this, with these conductors that we see to the right, they may be bound in other than single layers when we go through the section, again, to prevent, or I shouldn't say prevent, but so the current will divide more evenly on L1, L2, and L3 and neutral, if that be the case. And then if you have high voltage, over 1,000 volts, then we just call your attention and say, you have to identify that on the tray. Danger, high voltage, keep away, in accordance with 392.18H, an exception. And if it's up high where no one can reach it, then the exception would apply, and it indicates that you might not need that high voltage rating, but it's good to have that always on a high voltage type tray so people will know that high voltage is in that cable, over 1,000 volts, and to apply extreme care. And then notice the danger high voltage keep away label has to comply with 110.21B as in boy. Now in the next illustration, we're going to size this cable tray based upon the information that is provided with the conductors in the tray.